guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made these ottomans over here with this bucket. So this is a paint bucket that I was using, so instead of throwing it away I decided why not make an ottoman. So thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If this is the first time you're getting to see my face, remember to subscribe before you leave. Like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think. So let's get straight to this video. Some of the materials that we need: your bucket. I have 1 inch foam, so yeah, depending on how thick or how like fat you want your bucket to be. So I'm going to use 1 inch foam. I have my contact glue, so let's start. Material. So this is my material. This is the leso Ankara. I had already like stitched it, so ni kuweka tu ndani and yeah. Hi guys, so I know you have noticed that I've changed the fabric. Yes, so the red one did not fit as I wanted, so I went in with this one, but I also made an ottoman for this one. The reason is I had them custom made in different sizes, and that is why I'm going to show a video with this one. So to attach the fabric firmly to the bucket, I'm going to use my staple gun and some staple pins. So if you don't have this, alternatively you can use some tack nails and hammer. Works perfectly. Yes, it may take longer but works perfectly. And that's it for me, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you like to try this DIY, please tag me when you do. And I hope to see you in the next video. As you can see, this is still a makeover that we are doing, and these are some of the DIYs that we do when we are doing makeover. We try and reuse as much as we can. So hope to see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Bye.